Hi everyone, welcome to Random Ratings and Reviews. Today we are reviewing Nice Choice Peanut Brittle, or peanut cake as translated. This is a product of Taiwan. Nice Choice Peanut Brittle is a traditional Taiwanese snack. The peanut brittle is made with peanut, sugar, maltose, and water, ensuring a delicious and crunchy texture. The peanut brittle is made using a traditional handmade process, which involves cooking the syrup to the perfect temperature and then mixing it with the peanuts. Very crunchy. Slightly hard. A bit sweet. Great peanut flavor. Random Ratings and Reviews give it a score of 7.3. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.